Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Fairphone 5 and in this video I am going to show you how to check Wi-Fi password on this device. Alright, so to do this firstly we have to open our settings, then we have to open network and internet option where we have to choose our Wi-Fi. Next we have to click on the share icon where we have verify that's us by typing our passcode to the phone, and right here is password of our Wi-Fi. And that's how you check Wi-Fi password. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!